Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I might be totally off base because it can't be this easy. Somebody sent me a picture, then they sent me a wireframe of some triangles in stitches. Now, in embroidery, they have to put it through a software, but this person asked if you could do it kind of like in this link of this chain. I'm thinking I'm way off base because would be too easy. I created an ellipse, turned it into a curve, and kind of expanded it out, kind of the shape of the necklace. I don't even know if that matters. Then I went to Windows, Dockers, and Properties. And because it's a curve, I was able to go to this curve line and find out that it's 80.01. And I can make that more exact by 98.75. And, you could keep playing with that till ever. Then I kind of made a link of the chain. And I'll just show you how I made that real quick. I just drew a link, kind of expanded it out a little bit, and made it a certain thickness. That's too thick. Went to object, converted it to outline to an object, and then I left click, right click, and I've got that object. Now, this object I made it exactly 3 inches. So to move over half, you'd need to move it over, or 0.3 inches, 0.15. So if we go like 0.15, and you move this over, hit the plus key on the keyboard, and you get that roughly. So if we're going to use text to path, and it works really well, but I really don't think this is the question the person is asking, because I know nothing about. I know I've got a friend that does embroidery, and they have to send it off to a stitch guy, but maybe this will work. I don't know. So let's go to object and fit object to path. I've got my object path selected. I'm going to shift select my path, and it was 8 inches. So if you take 8 inches divided by 1.5, you get, well, it's actually 53. So you do 52 because you've already got one. And remember, I'm not doing the 3 inches. I want them to split. I don't have to do any of this rotation from the center. Then I'm going to hit apply. Now, text to path takes a little time, and sometimes I get impatient. I'm going, well, maybe I didn't hit the button, so just give it a break. And there it is. I mean, it's almost perfect. Now, I don't know if that will help. One thing I do like about text to path, you can grab your path and move it out of the way, and then you have your links. This might be this is going beyond, and we could go up here and weld this and just see what we get. I like doing that. And that might be something that'd be useful for the guy who's going to write the path. That's pretty neat graphic. And I like to just keep going so we could go further because it's all one unit. We could make it red. This is getting off base, but I like playing with the interactive fill tool and doing stuff like that. And you could just keep going till the cows come home. And then, as always, put a black box around it, make it really stand out, and it will. Object, order, back a page. But that's not what this video is about. But that might, maybe. Now, if I could not come up with this font, and I'm thinking that's maybe what they want to do with this. And I think it would still work, going around these sharp corners. Well, even the triangle shape, made a lot of not even marks. But anyway, she'll let me know, and hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.